Jacobson's 2026 in his house. June 7th. Incredible weather. Just an amazing day today. 79 degrees. Oh, 80 degrees right now. The best. Perfect degrees. Perfect temperature. That's Fahrenheit. I don't know Celsius. But it's about almost 6 o'clock right now. Point Pleasant Beach. Everybody having a good time, relaxing, chilling out, partying. 5:54 p.m. at the moment. Everybody partying up, chilling out. Got the tents. Cold cooling in the place to be. Oh yeah, rocking and rolling, rocking and rolling. This is what it's all about. Jersey Shore. Jersey Shore. Let's go, let's go. Oh yeah. Feels great to be down here. Rocking out on the beach. The beach is so nice. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alrighty, alrighty. Cracking, what's crack-a-lacking? What's going on? What's going on? The seagulls, wow, the seagulls are crazy. Jersey seagulls are definitely wild. You see what they're doing. See them, they just run up. They gang up on you. They don't care. They'll steal your hamburger, your french fries, whatever. They'll run right up and get it. Check them out. They're like, oh yeah, this is the feast. Feasty time of the year. This time of the year they feast. Oh yeah. I bet they come from far. I wouldn't doubt it. Wherever you're at, wherever you got a seagull in the world, it's probably coming here. Because it's really, it just makes sense to the seagull to come down here during the summertime. Wow, they definitely get their feast on in the summertime here. So we got the sun popping in and out today. It's a little bit cloudy, but the weather's great. And our Pocket 3 camera, little big guy, holding it down. I got the extender battery plugged in today for the first time. It comes with what's called the Creator combo, and I just never used it. But now in the summertime, we're going to use it because it makes sense in the heat. You can't plug these cameras in when it's too hot. They kind of overheat. Little big guy's a little sensitive to the heat. He needs some air conditioning. But anyway, that might be the workaround. And we got our lens that I haven't used since I bought it. The newer lens. It's called Newer. And yeah, they got quality stuff. So let's see. That's what I've been rocking today. Let's see. Let's head back to the boardwalk. All right. Oh wow, feels good to be able to walk again, like correctly. That sand really holds you back. All right, so here we go. Back up on the boardwalk, rocking and rolling. This is definitely the place to be today. For sure. It's good times today. Let's just stroll around. Okay, back on the boardwalk. We're back on the boardwalk. Let's go. Got the burgers, hot dogs, pizza. It smells great over here. The gift shop, beach apparel, prizes and games. Bubbles, you got bubbles everywhere here too. There's a bubble maker. Making a lot of bubbles here. The basketball, we got the basketball game. Got the rides here for the kids. All right, all right, all right. Rocking and rolling. All right, let's go, let's go. There's a lot of people down here, it looks like. So we got some people over here. All right, rocking and rolling. This is where it's at, Jersey Shore. Got the basketball games going on.
What it takes? Test your skills at the dart and basketball game.
Oh.
What are you winning it for? Yo, you know why? Because it moves. So I started to like.
It does move, right?
It does, it moves.
Okay.
Got the games over here. The soccer games. The World Cup is coming. Getting ready for the World Cup. Let's see, one more kick. Oh, nope. Not almost. All right, all right, all right. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
They play football.
Yeah, Jersey Shore is jumping, no doubt.
Alright, so one block past the.
So yeah, let's take a stroll back this way. Let's take a stroll down memory lane. Check out the arcades. Let's check out the arcades real quick. So this arcade is not as big as the other arcade. Oh, it's a little different. It's a little wider, this one. Got the air hockey.